a prime number is a natural number which is greater than 1 and is only divisible by 1 and the number itself. So first let's do the coding, then I will explain each and every step. All can see that I have taken 13 as my user input. So this comment is for the user input. Then after this, I have initialized my flag variable with 0. Then I have used for loop. So as you know the range function, so here I have used the range function, that is 2 comma int n divided by 2, that is n divided by 2 is that if n is 13 then n divided by 2 will be 6.5. If I write int before that, then the output will be 6, then 6 plus 1 will be 7. So my loops goes from 2 to 7. After this, I will check that the number divide by this range. If it's divide by this range, then it is not a prime number and the flag variable will become 1 and breaks out of the loop. And after all the iteration completes, it finally checks that the flag variable is still 0 or 1. If the flag variable is still 0, then it prints that n is a prime number, and otherwise if it sees that the flag variable is not 0, it becomes 1, then it will print that it is not a prime number. Thanks for watching.